tutorial I'm going to show you how you update the services page. So basically the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we're logged into the staging VPN staging area and not the live area. How and what the staging area is you can see in the film called Staging, where I do a quick walkthrough about the staging area and explain what it is. So we want to update the services page. We click on Pages. After we click on Pages, we click on Services. I was going to go over to the English version because that's my mother tongue. Okay, so we're in Pages, Services. I click on that one. I now am at the Pages edit page. Very simple here. We can see Services. Up here we have the tagline, which we have here. We have the headline, which is here. We have the content, which is here. We have the presentation image up here. We have the big intro images up here. And as I explained in other films, you need to upload one version for each screen size, and one high resolution and one low resolution. We get down to, so I'm going to rearrange a little bit among the services. So as we know here, we have three different services. We have Always Included, Convenience, and Consultant, as we can see up here. So if I want to do the Always Included services, is this one. So as we can see here, our services up here. I have the quote, which is down here. And then I have all the services down here. And if I want to add a service or delete the service, basically, if I scroll down to the bottom, I had add service. So basically it's very simple. The headline, service, headline 2 is the one under. Then we have the intro text. So the intro text is what you see before you click on the button. Then you have the service text, which you see down here. And then we have two other things, which is icon size and icon. And I have a separate film called Icons, which I show you how to add a new icon, which is the symbol up here. Basically, we use a service for that, but the film explains this very well. And what you do is you copy-paste the icon letter that you find on Fantastic into here, and click Add Service, and it's finished. Okay, so that was how we added a new service. If we want to delete the service, very simple. We have a small minus sign here. So we just click on that one and it's finished. Okay, convenience services, which we find down here. So I'm going to move it up a step. Very simple, same thing. I add the headline, which we find here. The quote, which we find here. I have all the services here. If I want to add a new service, I simply click on the Add Service button. I add the icon letter from Fantastic, which you find information about in the icon movie. If I want to adjust the size, because different icons have different sizes, you basically just change the number here and test until you think it looks good. In the bottom here, we have Consultant Services, which is the headline up here, and then we have the quote down here. Each consultant, you don't update here, you actually update them in the left here. You have a menu with consultants, all the consultants, and you find information about how to add a new consultant in a film called Consultants. Okay, so, and then in the bottom here, we have the menu services. So menu services is basically the one we have under here, Always Included, Convenience, Consultant, and as we can see here, we have the same. When we're finished with everything, we just click Update. We click on the French translation to translate the page to French. So I do exactly the same. I just update all the information as I did on the English one, and click Update, and then I'm finished. As always, when I have done all my edits, I have to push back from the staging, which we are now, to the live, to get all the edits published live. How to do this you find in the film called Staging.